You ever wonder how things get built? Roads, bridges, skyscrapers? It ain't magic, folks. It takes machines, big machines, and the grit to operate them. That's where Caterpillar comes in. You know them, right? Those big yellow machines you see on construction sites all over the world? But Caterpillar's story, well, it's more than just big machines. It's a story of American ingenuity, perseverance, and the relentless pursuit of progress. Our story begins in the late 1800s, in the farmlands of California. Back then, horses and mules were the workhorses of agriculture, but the soft, peat-rich soil of the San Joaquin Valley posed a problem. Traditional wheeled tractors just sank. This is where two inventive guys, Benjamin Holt and Daniel Best, enter the picture. They had a crazy idea. What if, instead of wheels, tractors moved on tracks? Holt experimented with different track designs, eventually patenting his famous track-type tractor in 1904. Holt's track-type tractor wasn't just a farmhand, it was a lifesaver, literally. In 1906, the San Francisco earthquake struck, causing widespread devastation. Roads were impassable, buildings were rubble, but Holt's tractors? They kept on rolling, hauling supplies and rescuing survivors. The earthquake proved the resilience and versatility of Holt's invention. Word spread like wildfire, and soon, Holt tractors were in high demand, not just for farming, but for construction, logging, and even military applications. The company was booming, expanding its operations and pushing the limits of what these machines could do. Meanwhile, Best Manufacturing wasn't sitting idle. By the 1920s, both Holt Manufacturing and Best Manufacturing were industry giants, but they were also locked in fierce competition. The year was 1925. The Roaring Twenties were in full swing, and the American economy was booming. It was the perfect time for a corporate power move. Holt and Best, recognizing the synergy of their combined expertise, decided to merge. And thus, the Caterpillar Tractor Company was born. But why Caterpillar? The story goes that a photographer watching one of Holt's tractors inching along on its tracks remarked that it moved like a caterpillar. The name stuck. It was simple, memorable, and strangely fitting for these powerful yet graceful machines. The merger wasn't just about combining resources, it was about combining visions. Holt and Best brought together their engineering prowess, their commitment to innovation, and their shared belief in building machines that could withstand anything. This shared DNA would become the foundation of Caterpillar's future success. They consolidated their operations, streamlined production, and focused on expanding their product line. They introduced new models of tractors, each more powerful and efficient than the last, solidifying their position as the industry leader. The 1930s dawned, and with it came the Great Depression. The American economy sputtered, and businesses across the country struggled to stay afloat. Caterpillar, however, saw an opportunity in the midst of the crisis. They invested heavily in research and development, focusing on a new technology that promised to revolutionize the industry, the diesel engine. Diesel engines were more fuel-efficient and powerful than their gasoline counterparts, making them ideal for heavy-duty applications. Caterpillar's engineers worked tirelessly to adapt this technology to their tractors, and in 1931 they introduced the world's first commercially successful diesel tractor, the Caterpillar 60. The success of the Caterpillar 60 cemented the company's reputation as an innovator and a leader in the heavy equipment industry. It also marked a turning point in the company's history, as they shifted their focus from solely agricultural equipment to a wider range of construction and industrial machinery. As the 1930s gave way to the 1940s, the world was once again on the brink of war. When World War II erupted, Caterpillar answered the call, just like they had during World War I. Their factories shifted from producing tractors to building tanks, bulldozers, and other essential equipment for the Allied war effort. Caterpillar's machines played a vital role in the war effort, clearing roads, building airstrips, and transporting supplies. Their tractors were even used to haul artillery pieces and tow tanks. The company's contributions to the war effort earned them numerous awards and solidified their reputation as a reliable partner for both the military and civilian sectors. After the war, Caterpillar's machines were instrumental in rebuilding a devastated Europe and Japan. Their bulldozers cleared rubble, their tractors helped farmers reclaim their land, and their engines powered the reconstruction effort. The company's global reach expanded rapidly during this period, as they established dealerships and manufacturing facilities around the world. Caterpillar's experience during and after the war taught them the importance of diversification, globalization, and a relentless focus on innovation. The post-war years were a time of unprecedented growth and prosperity for Caterpillar. The company expanded its product line, introducing new models of bulldozers, excavators, loaders, and engines. They also invested heavily in research and development, constantly looking for ways to improve their products and stay ahead of the competition. Caterpillar's global reach continued to expand during this period as they established a presence in new markets around the world. They opened manufacturing facilities in Europe, South America, and Asia, bringing their products and services closer to their customers. By the 1960s, Caterpillar had become a truly global company, with operations in over 100 countries. The company's success during this period was due in large part to their unwavering commitment to quality, reliability, and customer service. Caterpillar's machines were built to last, and they stood behind their products with a comprehensive network of dealers and service centers. Caterpillar wasn't just building machines, they were building a global brand synonymous with quality, reliability, and innovation. Caterpillar's story is one of constant innovation. From the very beginning, the company has been driven by a desire to build the best, most advanced machines on the planet. They've never been afraid to embrace new technologies and push the boundaries of what's possible. In the 1960s, Caterpillar introduced the world's first articulated dump truck, the 769. This revolutionary machine featured a flexible joint between the cab and the dump body, allowing it to navigate rough terrain with ease. The articulated dump truck quickly became a staple of the mining and construction industries, and it remains a key part of Caterpillar's product line today. Caterpillar also made significant advancements in engine technology during this period. They introduced the first turbocharged diesel engine for heavy equipment, which offered increased power and fuel efficiency. Caterpillar's commitment to innovation wasn't limited to their products. They also embraced new manufacturing techniques and business practices. Caterpillar's journey hasn't always been smooth sailing. Like any company, they've faced their share of challenges over the years. Recessions, labor disputes, and increased competition have all tested the company's mettle. One of the most difficult periods in Caterpillar's history came in the early 1980s. A global recession, coupled with a strong US dollar, led to a sharp decline in demand for Caterpillar's products. The company was forced to lay off thousands of workers and close several factories. However, Caterpillar weathered the storm by staying true to its core values: quality, innovation, and customer service. When the economy recovered, Caterpillar was well positioned to capitalize on the growth. While Caterpillar is best known for its iconic yellow machines, the company has also diversified its business over the years. They recognize that relying solely on the cyclical construction and mining industries could be risky, so they sought out new avenues for growth. One area where Caterpillar has expanded is financial services. They offer a range of financing options for customers who need to purchase or lease Caterpillar equipment. This allows customers to acquire the equipment they need without having to make a large upfront investment. Caterpillar has also expanded into the remanufacturing business. They take old, worn-out Caterpillar equipment and rebuild it to like-new condition. This extends the life of the equipment, reduces waste, and provides customers with a more affordable option than purchasing new machines. In recent years, Caterpillar has also made significant investments in technology and innovation. Today, Caterpillar is a global powerhouse with over 100,000 employees and operations in over 180 countries. They're the world's leading manufacturer of construction and mining equipment, diesel and natural gas engines, industrial gas turbines, and diesel-electric locomotives. Despite their size and success, Caterpillar remains committed to the values that have guided them from the beginning: integrity, excellence, teamwork, commitment, and sustainability. They continue to invest in innovation, developing new technologies and products that meet the evolving needs of their customers. Caterpillar is also a leader in corporate social responsibility. They're committed to reducing their environmental impact, supporting the communities where they operate, and promoting ethical business practices. They believe that by doing good, they can also do well. From their humble beginnings in the farmlands of California to their current status as a global icon, Caterpillar has left an undeniable mark on the world. Well, folks, that's the story of Caterpillar, a company that started with a simple idea, build a better machine, and for over a century, that's exactly what they've done. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any future episodes. And if you're feeling extra generous, you can support the channel by becoming a Patreon member. Until next time, keep on truckin'.